This is Onion Creek. 80% of the water from the Austin Airport flows to this creek. The airport dispenses 350,000 gallons of jet fuel each day. That fuel is handled multiple times and can enter numerous locations on the facility into the drainage system and ultimately could make it to the creek. We want to protect this creek. It's a beautiful place. It's been here much longer than us, and we want it to be here for the next generation. Hi, my name is Kane Carpenter. I'm the Environmental Manager for Austin Bergstrom International Airport. The Environmental Affairs Division is primarily responsible for environmental compliance, and we focus on reducing the overall environmental impacts on the natural environment here at the airport. And we do that by embracing our sustainable pillars. What is the most cost-effective way to do this? What is the least impacts to overall airport operations while we're still complying? What are the benefits of doing this for the environment? And then the social aspect is, how are we representing the values of the community?
Happy Earth Day!
So when we make a decision, even though we're in the environmental group, we really need to be thinking about how we impact airport operations, how we impact the bottom line. Waste diversion, energy conservation, water conservation. There are laws that we enforce, but unless we really delve into the partnerships that are needed to implement these complex programs, the Environmental Affairs Group cannot be successful. The terminal is complex. Lots of different materials being discarded. We have about 6 tons of waste coming out per day. That's 2 SUVs. And the only way to manage that waste diversion is to get all the folks that are touching it on the same page. No one idea and no one person can actually implement these programs. The division is located in building 6005, which is the Planning and Engineering and HR building. Overall, I think we're everywhere, and that's something the group has defined, that they have this everywhere concept. We may be sitting in a project meeting determining how they're going to comply with FAA requirements for the National Environmental Policy Act. Kingsley was out this morning to grab samples of the recovered material from the rubber removal activities on the runways, and those samples will be processed to be sure we're complying with our various permits. Please, if you see something that's, violating a law that you know of, whether it's somebody dumping something down a drain, or hey, you have a conservation idea, we're wasting fuel, or we're wasting energy or water, hit us with that Environmental Affairs link, shoot us an email, we will follow up with you.